How to change your age on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are figuring out on how to change your age and where to start from on Facebook, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the straightforward steps to update your age on Facebook. First and foremost, open up Facebook application on your mobile device. Tap on hamburger icon at the top. Right here, tap on settings icon. Under account center, tap on personal details. Under account settings, tap on personal details. You will land on this page. Right here, locate and tap on birthday. In order to change your age, simply tap on the edit button. Now you can edit your age by filling in the correct birthday according to your national ID. Keep in mind that you can only change your age a limited number of times, so make sure you enter the correct birthday based on a national ID. And there you have it, you have successfully learned the straightforward process to change your age on Facebook. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.